Hello there, it's me again, Airwave. Welcome back to my channels. Logic users, rejoice! Another quick tip for you guys. And this one is a very special one. I've been doing this for probably 10-15 years, since Logic version 6 or something, but doesn't seem to appear a lot online. So I'm gonna show you really quickly. Let's take a loop here. Let's take a boring loop like this. And we drag it into the arrangement. We don't import the tempo information because I don't want it. And well, everything is like sliced automatically now in Logic Pro 10, so it makes everything really quick. But I just need the first bar for this tip, just so I can show you what I'm talking about. You take the scissors tool. So you hit S key, take the scissors. We have 8 notes here. So what we need is the first 8 note. You just want to slice it here, and then you hold Alt Option key pressed, and you just do this. So you have 8 notes, so we can basically disable the Apple loop thing, the follow tempo thing. Well, nothing groundbreaking till there, but here's the crusty part. You take this and you just remove, well, shorten the length as much as possible. Then you hit the L key. That's the magic key in this case. Look at what happens. That's one hell of a tip if you ask me. So it's a cool one, isn't it? Hope you like it. See you next time on my channel.